Welcome to class PM. The previous class we have seen what is sewage and how is the sewage been collected through pipelines and then sent to the manholes, right? Now let us see the treatment of this polluted water. Now let us understand how to treat this polluted water by doing a small activity. For this you need actually a glass jar. Fill 3/4 of the glass jar with water and add all the waste, like you can say glass pieces, oil, you can say like vegetable peels or fruit peels, and you can also add a little of ink or any other color. And what you do is fix the mouth of the glass jar tightly and keep it in the sunlight for 2 days. Sunlight for 2 days. See that there is plenty of sunlight available, and leave it aside for 2 days, and after 2 days shake the mixture. After 2 days take this glass jar, shake the mixture and pour a small sample of the mixture into a test tube. And before you start doing anything, mark the test tube as sample 1. Mark the test tube as sample 1. Now try to smell it. You feel that there is a bad odor which has been released from the sample which you have taken, because it has been contaminated with various things, right, due to which you feel the odor or the bad smell which comes out of the test tube. Now we have taken this sample into a small test tube and marked it as sample 1. Now what you do is provide aeration. How do you provide aeration? You see that there are aerators fixed inside the aquarium, right? So take these aerators and provide aeration for continuously a long time, say like 24 hours. If not, if you don't have aerators, you can provide a mechanical stirrer where you need to completely aerate this sample for 24 hours. After 24 hours, what you do is once the aeration is complete, pour another sample, pour this sample into another test tube as sample 2 and make it, label it as after aeration. After aeration. Now after the aeration is done, take a funnel, place a filter paper, take a funnel, fold a piece of filter paper and slightly wet it with the tap water and place it inside the funnel. You can add a layer of sand, a fine gravel and medium gravel, and what you do is start pouring this sample which you have collected after aeration through these layers of the soil, You keep pouring the solution. You have to filter it. This is actual process of filtration, right, using the layers of the soil. What you do is pour the solution through these layers of the soil and again collect this into the test tube and again pour it. So you have to repeat this cycle until the water is clear, Now you mark this sample which is clear to be as filtrate sample, Now what you do is take this filtrate sample, okay, add a chlorine tablet to it, and you see, now you test for the smell, and please don't drink it or don't taste it. You can test for the smell where you feel that the water is clear after adding chlorine. So this is how you can see the pollutants which are present in the wastewater can be treated.